Hi everyone. I'll show you how to simulate a camera shake with motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro in this video. First, drag your footage onto the timeline to begin editing. Go to the Effects panel and search for the Transform effect. Drag and drop the Transform effect onto your time-lapse footage on the timeline. In the Effects Controls panel, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and increase the shutter angle to around 360 degrees. Now, let's create the camera shake. In the Effects Controls panel, bring the scale to 110%. Then, keyframes for the position property. Move the playhead a few frames forward and adjust the position slightly. Repeat this process, moving the playhead and changing the position to create a jittery, shaking effect. Vary the position values randomly to make the shake look more natural. The key is to avoid any predictable patterns. This will help achieve a more realistic camera shake effect. And that's how you simulate camera shake with motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro.